Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Search Console to Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, first up, got to open up a new tab and just find Google Search Console. All right, now click on the first link, which is from Google itself. Click on Start Now, and then just log in with your account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to the top left, click on the drop down. Now go ahead and add in a property. If this is your first time going to Google Search Console, there will be a pop-up right here that will display the same exact pop-up. Okay, it's up to you if you want to connect your domain right here or the URL prefix only. So let's go ahead and go to Shopify. Go ahead over to your online store. Just click on it. Make sure that it is set to public and it is active. Okay, you'll have to buy a plan so that this is not password protected. So make sure that it is active. Now go ahead and click on View Store and then just wait for the URL to load. Now once it loads, click on it once more, copy everything, paste it right here, and then just hit on Continue. All right, now go ahead go to Property, just like so. Now, there would be some cases that you would need to manually input the codes from Google Search Console to Shopify. So if it does ask you to enter a code from Google Search Console, just copy the code. Okay, so there will be some verification. Okay, you'll need to go through manual actions and security issues right here and follow the basic prompts. Okay, so again, going back to the thing that I told you earlier, which is the code from Google Search Console. So what you'll do is just copy it and go ahead over to Shopify, go to your online store and click on the 3 dots right here, edit the code, and then just wait for the editor to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to layout right here, click on theme, and under the head section, make a space, okay, just one space, and then paste the copied code from Google Search Console. Paste it right here. And once that's done, do not forget to click on Save. Now go ahead and go back to Google Search Console. And lastly, all you got to do is just go ahead over to Sitemaps right here. Now go ahead and look for the URL. And then what you're going to do is just type down sitemap.xml and then just click on Submit. Okay? Once you click on Submit, it will be listed right here. Now we'll say couldn't fetch or fetching. Okay, so just wait for Google's magic right here to happen. They will check all of your pages from this Shopify store. And then after that, you can just check the pages section right here daily. Okay, and you'll be able to see the reason and the validation status. All right, and that's how easy it is to connect Google Search Console to Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.